is flooded. Nights, 2 days, non-stop. It's going to be the third day. Everywhere's flooded. Nobody wasn't prepared for the rain at all, and just didn't sweep no leaf or rake any leaf. It was all clogged up in the sewer, and it's just the crazy year in Sacramento. I don't own the right to the song. Yeah, it's really bad out here. My car is super low. Now I'm just trying to, look for a way out. Taking the kids to school. It's horrible. Flooded. I can't even get through it. It's all flooded. 65th. So now I can't even get out there. Gotta keep on going. It's still raining. Haven't stopped. So there's no other way out for me to get back home. Still raining. Still bad over areas. See if I can get through it. So far, look like the neighborhood been cleaned out on this side. So looks okay. That's pretty much it, yo.